Hi guys, this is part of the bed because the other one I'm super tired. Anyway, this is the part of the video. And we did it into the anyways, this is part 2 video of taking care of my mouse because I got scammed for my neon mouse and it was really sad, so I'm just trying to look into it. Yeah, let's just take care of this one. Come on. This is a bright. It's just in the puff. It's okay, obviously. Anyway. Oh, I like the Peppermint water. It's so cute. We're gonna go to... Oh, it's supposed now. Yay. Guys, I'm really broke because I own them. Gifts because I thought I was gonna get the bus, the B bus, and yeah, but I actually didn't. At least I got this, this, and this. I got those two from the massive gifts. Wait, no, I actually got this from the massive gifts, this from the big gift, and this from the small gift. And yeah, it's pretty cute. Oh my god, I almost just crashed right into that. Ah! I'm not a very good driver. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, to the park we go. Hit me again? Why not? It was so hard. Run! Go. Anyway, guys. What's your favorite thing I talk meal and I talk meal? Like, what's your favorite meat? My favorite meat so far is this, the pet meat. It is so cute. I just love it. I actually love it. What's this? Party trading this house for two or one fly. See you later, alligator. Okay, I'll stop those. Okay, hold on. I don't want to use it. It's my ugly one. Okay, now where's my mouse? My mouse is lost. My mouse lost. Guys, I think this one, why people hate this? Because a lot of people hate a buffalo. But it's so sad. A lot of people hate them. But I don't know why. Stop for school. It's not time for school. It's just right now it's go to school. Anyway, let's I'm very excited for this one. I'm very excited. One day or one more day. I'm very excited. I wonder what it's gonna be. They haven't played yet today. I didn't see any. It's my shoe. Like I said earlier, I spent all these massive gifts, all my money on these massive gifts. because I thought I was gonna get this. Like, it's so cool. See? I never got one of these. But whatever. It's still cool. Anyway, guys, let's go. We're here. I think you can. Yes. Let's skip the very movie. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to click that. I meant to click this. I don't know why. Okay, let's go for a ride. But we're still in school, so let's make me a schedule. Don't mind. Don't mind that I have to do this. My bad. I'm almost sick. I'm a little sick. Yeah, my bad. I'm sorry. There's good in all the boys. It's fine. I don't know why. Okay, guys, I do have a private server and about me, but I don't really want to use it. Oh, my mouse just got stuck in the air. Alright, let's see what they're doing. Oh, really? So cool. Oh, I didn't mean that. But let's see if they accept. They're already not trained. What about this? I don't think they will accept at all. Just try. We can never try. Guys, I'm broke. I'm sorry. You see this? You see this inventory? I'm broke. I'm 100% broke. Because it's better to it was cringe. Okay, found stupid again. Oh my god, I'm not a very good try about this. That sounds so delightful. Thank you. By the way, guys, comment down below your fear. My fear is I have a big fear of heights. Like, I'm so scared of heights. If I go on top of a building, I will literally scream on top of my lungs because I'm really afraid of heights. In the comments you'll be screaming like at me like, why are you rating him? But it's just scary. You know, it's healthy to be scared. You know? And this feels like if you're not scared of anything, there's something missing in you. And that's the thing that is heights. I don't know heights here. Come on, mouse. Let me in here. Can I get in? No, I can't. I have to go in here. I don't like going in here. It's blurry. Oh, let's go, mouse. Oh my. Oh, Mega Million. It's just, I'm not rich. My Robux is only 29. I think it's 29, or it was like, yeah, it was 29. Anyway. What? You will see that happen, right? Or am I just lagging? My bigger costume? Oh. Come on, I don't want to pick any of those. Fine. Maybe later. Wait, why did you become sick? I took good care. I think I need a mom. Come here if you want to adopt me. Yes, I would. I'm not good, Santa. I am Santa. Okay, I'm not like I am Santa. Dramatic. I'm not hating, okay? I'm a big fan of her too. I mean, who would not be a fan of her? She's a cliquey trooper. Anyway, I'm a big fan of Moody. Whoopsie. Sorry. What's in my family? She declined my train. Oh my god. Welcome to her rich. Nah. This is so weird. Looks. Nah. I just wasted my time. So we're not even gonna use a vehicle anymore because I'm bored. Until I forgot we're supposed to be because my dad's making young. But whatever. Sorry for yapping. I apologize that I keep on yapping. Okay? But what was I supposed to do? That's what a YouTuber would do. Keep yapping. Not really. Morality does though. Morality. I think that's how I pronounce it. Morality. I don't know. Morality, I think. Come on, it's totally difficult. Where's your hat? Like the little hat up here? Where is it? Let's take a ride. It looks fun. You're now Santa. Let's go! Guys, I'm a girl. Let's go to the hospital first, by the way, because we're going to just go to the solar shows because can spread the sickness. Oh, they have one of these. That's cool. It's so expensive. I'm broke right now. And I'm a girl making a new pet. Yeah. Yeah, but actually I don't like going here. Normal places like restaurants. Anyway, let's go up here. We're just gonna grab. Oops! We're just gonna grab the ammo because it's not here. I'm not here. They're the same thing. Let's go! Yay! You let me out. By the way, guys, you see this? This looks a fake. This looks like a fake adopt me. Look at that over there. It's so fake. They're running me this. Oh, guys, I need to go somewhere now because we're supposed to be going camping now because it's night in the Philippines. So I guess I'm gonna have to make a part 2. By the way, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is part 2 of putting down my pets to make me on. Anyway. Oh, beach party. Oh my god. They're all just riding their pets. One day I can ride my pet when I have Robux. Okay, you enjoy the vlog. The vlog is done now. Anyway, what is this called? I want to trade someone with a sea urchin. Not really rude, but I like sea urchin. That's almost like OP pets. Oh, cool. That's good. No way. Keep on guessing this stuff. This is just bridge or something. Is there any stars here? Can you see some stars? Also, I forgot to say this at the beginning. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyway, let's go. This one's invisible, but we're not actually. But it's not actually invisible. We're just in it. Waterfall. I feel like this posting. Oh no, I thought it got hurt. This posting thingy is. I think it's gonna be like 5 more needs or 4 or 3. I don't know. Just comment down below what you think it will be. Wow. What's this? Can I trade you? post the video already. Anyway, where's my boss? I want this. Go, get it. I'm gonna bump into Santa. I knew it. Let's just pretend that is not my pet. And he got it. Good job, buddy. Oh no, you're gonna get stuck in a ball. Oh, never mind. You didn't. Come on, come on. I can change voices. I'm not even using a voice changer right now. But yeah. Ooh, look at her pet. Okay, I think this is gonna be like 2 more pets. Yes, because it has profile. Hello, I got me. Hello, I'm nice to meet you. Welcome to my profile. In the trade, please say hello or hi. I'm nice and traded. Okay, note 4 pages. My neon pets, not all. Oh, she has a neon urchin. I really want it. Just left. Wait, she didn't left. I think she just declined. But I still like. Nightstand. For fun. No, thank you. It's just good. Oh, this is gonna be it. It's gonna be it. But we're not really that scared now because we still have one more. I'm so tired right now. I don't want to make a part 4 so bad, guys. But I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna make a part 4. Yes. Thank you, babe. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. And I'm gonna post the part 4 next time. Goodbye.